Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing some tests on the Proscenic M7 Pro. We're going to start off on hard floor with some fine debris and then move into the carpet with some larger debris. I'll put timestamps on the video in case you just want to see the results. Let's get started. So first we're going to start off in the kitchen. I spread some coffee grounds around since it's fine debris. I wanted to see how well it does with fine debris on standard mode. One thing you'll notice throughout the video is that the side brushes just spin too fast, kind of like the i7, where they just kind of fling debris around. Hopefully Proscenic can fix this in a future software update where you can turn down the speed of the side brushes. Other than that, I think it does pretty well on hard floors. I've only had the unit a couple days, but I'm still pretty impressed with how it performs. We will let this finish in the kitchen here, and then I will move on to the dustbin and show you what it picked up. So here's what it picked up off the hard floor here before I had it do its auto empty. As you can see, the dustbin is pretty full. So we'll go ahead and put this back in the unit and we'll let it do its auto empty, and then we'll look at the dustbin again. I haven't had any issues with this unit having trouble locating the base or lining up to auto evacuate. So that is a plus. In the next clip here, I will let you listen to the audio evacuation process. So just a fair warning, it does get loud. So if you're wearing headphones, make sure you turn down the volume just a little bit. Now that it's finished its auto evacuation process, I'm going to let it dock normally, and then we will look at the dustbin to see how much it sucked up and if there's anything left in the dustbin. As you can see, it did pretty decent on emptying out the dustbin. There was just some left over in the corners here. I think this might be due to the design of the auto empty base and the dustbin not getting a good seal. However, I ran the unit 2 more times and the dustbin was clear. This is what's left over after the M7 Pro finished its cleaning run. As you can see, there's still some along the edges and some in the middle of the floor from the side brushes kind of flinging things around. But overall, I think it did pretty decent on standard mode. Now we'll move into the master bedroom on carpet here, where I spread around some larger debris, which is dog food. I just want to see how well it does with larger debris on carpet, as it didn't do the best with large debris on hard floors. As you can see, there's quite a bit spread around. The M7 Pro just finished in the master bedroom. This is what it's left over after its cleaning run. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of dog food left. This is part 2, the side brushes, just kind of flinging things around. Otherwise, I think it did pretty decent for a large pickup test. Alright, here's the dustbin before it returns back to the dock to do an auto empty. As you can see, the dustbin is very full. One thing that surprised me is it did not stop its cleaning run to return back to the base to empty itself and then resume cleaning like the i7 and S9 do. I don't believe this unit has a full dustbin sensor. So we'll go ahead and let this unit go back to the base here and auto empty itself, and then we'll look at the dustbin afterwards to see how much got sucked out. I think this unit did pretty decent in my opinion. I'm going to be doing a full review on the unit in the next couple days, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe if you're not already. One other thing I should mention is I had the vacuum power set to standard mode. I will do another test with high power mode on both carpet and hard floor to see if it makes a difference with its pickup ability. Alright, so as you heard, it just emptied itself and it sounded like it emptied out quite a bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dustbin and see what is left over after it did its auto empty. Here's what's left over after it finished auto emptying itself. As you can see, it did pretty decent, but it still struggled quite a bit, so I'll have to run the unit a couple more times to get it fully evacuated. That'll do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah.